What's going on YouTube? Car Reviews by KJ. Bring you this Atoto A6 review. You can see me in the reflection right now. I wanted to make sure it was dark so when it start up, you guys can see how fast it start up and everything. First things first, it does take a lot of, you may have to get a fingerprint, like not a fingerprint, my bad, screen protector to prevent all these fingerprints, but it don't really bother me because it's pretty clear on the quality. So let's turn it on real quick, power it up. See it pop right on. It's pretty smooth with the transitioning through the screens and everything. One thing, the radio, if it's, say if you like trying to set a channel that you know is an actual channel but you don't have good reception, it's hard to get to that channel because it just keeps skipping through. It don't let you, say if you wanted to go to like 88.99 something like that, it's kind of hard to get to, but don't nobody really listen to the radio these days anyway, so don't really matter. Let's see, go to Spotify. I already downloaded all my songs through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connects very good on this phone. On this screen. It's pretty much a phone, but I can connect to Wi-Fi hotspot with my phone if I wanted to. Got everything in the drop down right here. It's just like a phone, man. Remind me of a phone. But the sound quality is pretty good on it. What I would recommend, it's very heavy on the bass, so let me go to the settings real quick. It's very heavy on bass, so what I did was, to my side speakers, I added bass blockers. I got those off Amazon. It was only maybe like less than $10, so. Uh-oh, somebody revving up over there. I had to do a car review on that. But anyways, so you go to sound, Equalizer. You see, this the only adjustments you can make. It's no bass, no treble, stuff like that. Stuff you normally used to, mids and stuff like that. It's pretty much the same thing, but you have to actually adjust it on here. I don't like that. So I got my bass all the way down because the bass is very heavy on this system. So I just added the bass blockers, and because I have subs in the back, I have my 6x9s in the back. They still no sub blockers, and no bass blockers on those. So those still good. Still got a little bass in it if I want to turn off my subwoofers. But yeah. Other than that, it's pretty smooth. It's the Bluetooth, like for your phone and everything. Make phone calls here. Go to all your calls and everything. Don't call none of those numbers. There's nobody anyways. Yeah, you see it's connected to me, KJ iPhone. Yeah, other than it's a pretty good system. Oh yeah, you can watch YouTube straight from your phone. I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot right now, so I actually can't connect to YouTube, but you can watch YouTube. You can watch Netflix. All of that's on here. The GPS work pretty good on here. It's like a antenna that's in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna have a good enough signal. Let me see if I can get the maps to pop up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm offline right now because I'm not connected to the GPS, but also what I like about it, so when you backing up, I got the review camera on my car, so you put it in reverse, it pops right up. Say if you listen to music pretty loud, it deadens the music. So when you hook up your reverse camera, it's a cord back there that says like review camera power or something like that. You connect those two together, and when you driving, you backing up and you say your music pretty loud, it'll kind of mute your music while it's still it'll be playing in the background, but it won't be as loud. So it's a lot, you can focus on backing up rather than having to turn down your music by yourself. It does it for you. That's one thing I do like about it. What else we got here? Let's see. I haven't played with it too much other than just music, listening to my regular music on my phone. Oh yeah, say if you got they got the OB2. I mean, you can download any app that you can download on any Android device pretty much on this phone. I mean, on this tablet. It's not a tablet, it's not a phone, it's an actual system. But anyways, you hook it up to your OBD2 and you can it'll read you like your codes. That's you know, your scan codes and everything. Anything that go wrong with your car, it'll tell you. You also it'll tell you like gas mileage and all of that stuff if you actually buy the little synchronizer to hook up to it. Yeah, I just wanted to bring a quick review. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. I'll have a lot more videos coming out. I'll do a audio test. I'll let you hear the subwoofers and everything on it. Matter of fact, let me play something I don't want to get copyrighted, you know. Play something. Oh yeah, the volume button is on the opposite side, so the up volume is on the left side rather than where it usually be, where it's usually at. Shout out my neighbor, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 train. I just pulled on me a real nigga all in my face. 500 racks in my safe. So yeah, that's that. Got some pretty good quality since I added those bass blockers, because it had my tweeters and everything with too much bass in it. So when I added those bass blockers, it really helped out a lot. Yeah, man. Let me know if you have any questions. Catch y'all on the next review.